Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make some awesome turkey burgers. That's right, turkey burgers on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? We are gonna make some awesome, that's right, awesome turkey burgers. Now, I admit I eat them every once in a while, but you know, I'd rather have a big beefy burger. But we're gonna do turkey burgers for you because you've been asking for it. We got the Ninja Foodi XL Grill out. We have the Sear'NSizzle from Grill Grates in there. So we're gonna superheat that up. I got some Swiss cheese, got some bacon to put on the top, tomatoes, lettuce. It's gonna be awesome, all right? Should take no time at all. Let's go ahead and get on this grill. Come over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. Get this turkey made into burgers. All right, so we got we got a pound of turkey, ground turkey right here. It's 85% lean, 15% fat. I figure more fat is better with the turkey. All right, I'm gonna just cut it into 4 segments on the actual, you know, using this chub right here, just so it makes it a little easier. All right, so we can form the patties. Oh, doesn't that look lovely? All right, let's get them shaped up. As you can see, I'm not using my cutting board for this. I want to make sure that these, you know, kept as sanitary as possible. All we're gonna do is smush these down, make burgers out of them. Yummy. Look at turkey burgers. I'm gonna get these all smashed out, then we'll get this grill on. All right, we got our patty smashed out. Let's turn on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill. So we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna grill high. Actually, I'm gonna take it to max, all right? So we're gonna take it to max. That's a little over 500 degrees. I want these to cook fast. I want them to be juicy. We're gonna take it to a 160 internal. I'm gonna keep it at 10 minutes. Hit start. It's gonna preheat. It's gonna be awesome. All right, while we're letting this preheat, I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. We got some Uncle Steve's Shake Smoke Bomb. All right, so it's a little heat, little smokiness, little paprika in there. I figure it'll taste nice on these burgers. This is gonna add tons and tons of flavor, okay? Don't skip this. Uncle Steve's a friend of mine. Grab it down below. There'd be a link for Uncle Steve's Shake down below. Check it out. And if you order Uncle Steve's Shake, put in the notes that you saw this stuff on Cooking with CJ. He always likes to add a little something extra in for my fans. I don't get paid anything on it. It's just, I like Uncle Steve. He's a good friend. And in all honesty, I don't call him Uncle Steve in person. He's just Steve. These are gonna be amazing tasting. I'm telling you, just a little bit of seasoning on these turkey burgers will make all the difference in the world. We're gonna get it on the grill once it's done preheating, and then it's just putting it together, all right? Come on back. All right, guys, we're done preheating. Let's get these burgers on. First thing I'm gonna do, handy dandy avocado oil, spray it on there so we don't have any stickage. No one wants stickage. I'm gonna spray them on the burgers too. Get one on. Go, there we go. All right, we got the burgers on. Let's shut them down. Check them on in about 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna check out these burgers, check the temps. It's almost done. That one's almost done. There you go. All right, 160. All right, these are about where we wanted to be, so I'm gonna give them a flip. All right, flipped it out. A little more flippy. Flippy. Last flippy. We're gonna double up the cheese because I like a cheesy burger. See, that one's a good one back there. All right, in just a couple more minutes, and these will be done. All right, guys, we are done. Everything's nice and melty and good. It took 7 or 8 minutes. We're gonna build this burger up. I already got the tomato and lettuce on there. I'm going for a double bacon burger. All right, so we're gonna pile it up high. Go, looking good, looking good. We'll finish it off with a couple slices of crispy bacon. A couple pieces on there. Crown that bad boy right there. All right, tell me what you think about that double bacon Swiss turkey burger. Good stuff right there. I took all the rabbit food off, just the bacon and Swiss. It's gonna be good. Guys, that stuff is money in the bank, or as money as it could be while eating a turkey burger. I mean, the Uncle Steve shake made it taste a lot better. The bacon and the Swiss make it a lot better. But in the end, you're eating ground turkey. So for all those who asked me to do this, I hope you're happy. Hope this worked out for you. Cook to internal of 160, let it rest, get to 165, it'd be good, right? Add your cheese, add your bacon, you're solid. That's it for this one, guys. Real simple, real easy, real quick video. If you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill or any of the Ninja products, click the link down below. Cutting boards, knives, CJ merch, all that stuff down below. I have had a lot of requests for hats. If you want a hat, it's $27 and that includes shipping. Email me down below and we'll hook it up, okay? Also, if you guys want to join CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, click that join button down below right next to the subscribe button. Get a little behind the scenes perks of what's going on, what I'm doing on the channel. And, you know, again, it helps out the channel for myself to keep going, making these wonderful videos for you guys and making these recipes for you guys too. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.